Hello, I'm Courtney Meyers, a professor in agricultural communications, and I want to introduce a helpful tool that I use when I'm teaching my web design class. This is called Screencast O Matic. It's free. It allows you to record up to a 15-minute video for free, and it adds a little watermark for the company name. There are paid options to do this, but I've always had success with just using the free version. I use this to provide video feedback on my students' design projects, but now I'm using it to record short tutorials to help my students work through the different aspects that I would have normally taught them face-to-face. So you can sign up for a free Screencast O Matic account right here, and it provides a great little screen that you can put on your desktop, and it records everything that happens within that. I have it set so that my video of myself is down in the bottom corner, but you can actually turn that off and you can have it just the full screen, or you could have it just use the webcam to record you. So what I do is I launch it. I launch the program that I work in, and I work through the tutorial, and then I save that video file in my OneDrive account. So these are the 19 separate files that I created for a tutorial. And then I have a YouTube channel, and I am uploading each of these videos as an unlisted video and embedding a link to this video in Blackboard. So this is just one great resource that I have found to really help still provide that step-by-step instruction to my students, because it not only records what's happening on the screen, but it actually puts a circle around the cursor so that students can really tell where I'm clicking, and they can follow along as they work through the tutorial right with me. So I hope that this is a helpful resource for you as we shift to teaching remotely.